Two very homesick cats at Talbot Humane are looking for a home. Menelaus and Agamemnon are the best of buddies and were brought to the shelter because their owner could no longer keep them. They are both male cats about 6 years old and have been at Talbot Humane since October. Menelaus is a sweet orange tabby cat, a good boy who likes to cuddle with his friend Agamemnon. He's named after a figure in Greek mythology, a hero who fought in the Trojan War. Agamemnon is also a character in Greek mythology, a great warrior in the Trojan War and Menelaus's brother. Agamemnon is a gray tabby and part Maine Coon cat. While these two aren't really brothers, they seem like it because they're very close. You can visit Menelaus and Agamemnon at Talbot Humane, 7894 Ocean Gateway in Easton, or call 410-822-0107.